How to fix if you're unable to connect to your Wi-Fi network in Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Realme device cannot connect to a Wi-Fi network. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, restart your phone and your router. Restart your Realme device and also power off your Wi-Fi router. Wait for 10 seconds and then power it back on and check whether that's gonna help you connect to your Wi-Fi network or not. If that still does not help you, then forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to launch your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile device, and from here tap on your Wi-Fi connection and here tap on forget. After that, reconnect by entering the correct password and check whether that will help you or not. If that still does not help you, then you can reset your network settings. In order to do that, open up settings in your device and under settings, scroll down and head towards system. Tap on it and here tap on reset options. Now you can reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap on reset settings, then tap on confirm. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and your mobile data settings, but it will not delete any of your personal data. So once you reset your network connections, you have to again provide your Wi-Fi password and try to reconnect it and check whether your problem is now solved or not. So these are some of the troubleshooting steps that will help you fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.